Okay, so this is going to be an unboxing video. I've got a special guest here that's going to be helping me out. There he is. It's an unboxing video of a Daiwa Seapower 800, brand new reel, and it came from Japan. So this is pretty cool because I bought it. I'll give you guys a trick here. I bought it from Amazon, and you can see the Amazon packaging. It says Amazon Prime, but look underneath. There's Japanese characters, and so it came with FedEx. And one trick is when you buy it from Japan, it arrives here, you don't have to pay any taxes. So that's the first thing. The Japanese people don't charge American taxes. The other thing is why these are such good deals is because of the dollar to the yen rate. I think it's somewhere pretty close to $1 equals 160 yen. Before it used to be like $1 equals 100 yen. So it's like a 60% difference. So the price of the reels in Japan has stayed the same in yen, but in dollars, it's become a lot cheaper. But in America, they're just like gouging you. They're not dropping the price. They're still charging the exact same amount they were. They're just pocketing the difference. So if you go to Japan and you buy it there and they ship it here, not only do you not pay sales tax, but you get it, at the yen price, which is much better. So this reel retails for $999. I've seen it for about $800, on sale over the holidays, Black Friday. I've seen it around $800. I paid $500 for it. So wow, huge difference, right? So let's get into it. Let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So when you look at the packaging here, it was like a box inside a box. So, this was the Amazon box. So we had that. Let's put that to the side over there. And then we had this, which was kind of a Daiwa box. And no, it didn't come unopened. I had opened it. So the first thing that's kind of interesting, it says it's made this here, made in Thailand. So it's not made in Japan. So that's kind of interesting. So that was kind of interesting, but all the markings are, Japanese. It was definitely made for the Japanese market, and that's what it is there. Okay, so now let's open it up and see what's in here. So this first box is kind of different, but the inside box, anybody that's a fanboy of Daiwa will see that, it's the standard Daiwa box. So let's kind of get into it there. Okay, so there's a second box. Okay, so we got two boxes to the side, and then here is this box, the Seapower 800. So let's kind of slowly look into it, turn it around. No, that's kind of interesting. I didn't even see that. So a lot of instructions back here. It's all in Japanese, so that's going to be a little bit more difficult. But let me see. My assistant here is curious to read some Japanese. Do you understand the Japanese? No, I don't either. Okay, so let's open it up. Ooh, fancy. Okay. All right, and let's kind of show everybody what's inside. Hold on, relax. So you look inside and the parts are falling out, but we've got a SLP Plus. I don't know what that is, but some kind of advertisement. And then we have like a certificate of authenticity or something like that, probably a serial number for probably some Japanese warranty. So I think Daiwa has a worldwide warranty, so it really doesn't matter. But anyway, here is the power cable, so that comes included. They sell these, by the way, for about 50 to 60 bucks. So it's nice that they include them. They don't include the batteries though, so you got to keep that in mind. And then there's instructions in a bunch of different languages. Is there English in here? There's Spanish, Seapower 800. So I'm sure there's some parts. Yeah, there's some parts to mount this to your Daiwa Deno style rods. I've got a real nice one of those, so I'm not going to review it here. All right, yeah. So now when we, the manuals, and I'm sure there's something in English, and even if there wasn't, it's not like you can't go online and get this stuff, so it's not really applicable anymore. Okay, so inside here, it's kind of packaged like any Daiwa reel is. You can kind of see it sitting there, with the same kind of cardboard over the top. Right, that's my assistant is saying there's something for fishing, so he's finally figured it out. Okay, wow, this thing is ginormous. Okay, so let's get this out of it. Oh wow, look at the size of this thing. Wow, it is super nice. And so I've really no idea how to even use this, but it's just the machining on this, the quality. I mean, this feels like so nice. I think this is where you we can set the drag, it's like a star drag, and then you can put it in free spool here. I think that's what this is.
missing
least that's what I
all
think
the
it is.
doors.
So yeah, this, when it's down there, yeah, this is free spool because it goes both directions. But when you lock it, it still goes both directions. So I gotta figure out exactly how you work this. But I think this is where the power cord goes in there. And you know, there's your screen and your counter. And you know, it's a conventional reel by design. Hold on. It's a conventional reel by design, but it has one of these, so it guides it in, so you don't have to worry about keeping your thumb on it or anything like that. It's pretty well set up. So this is kind of funny what my assistant did here. He made a pile of this. That was kind of interesting. But anyway, so yeah, so it's really big, and the idea is here that you would just kind of press a button and reel it up. So I'm not really even sure how to use this, to tell the truth, but it seems to be all there. And it has 55 pounds of drag. I think I can put 850 yards of 100-pound line and 1,200 pounds of like 80-pound line, or 1,200 yards of 80-pound line. So if you think about that, 1,000 yards is 3,000 feet. So that's what you can fish in 3,000 feet. And so, you know, I think this is great. 500-600,000, but to go to 3,000, it's crazy. But yep, you can do that. You can drop it down and press the button, and then it's going to pull it right back up. So the days of cranking and cranking and cranking are going to be long gone. I'm going to put a 3-pound weight, drop it down, and see what I catch. So maybe I'll make another video of this in action and catching it. But anyway, that's the unboxing. That's what you can expect in the box. It's super nice. It's the Daiwa Seapower 800. Thanks for watching.